This week, we'll hear about multiple integrations that support driver safety and performance and increase equipment uptime. We'll also talk about a new cloud-based solution for multi-stop, multi-vehicle route optimization, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Fleet Drive 360, which provides a cloud-based solution for managing driver qualifications and compliance, can now offer carriers a fast and seamless method of scheduling drug tests with 72-hour results returns while maintaining compliance with FMCSA regulations. This is made possible by Fleet Drive 360's integration with healthcare technology company Abbott. Fleet Drive 360 COO Nick Salas said, "Our integration with Abbott creates a seamless connection for carriers between the lab services provided by one of the nation's largest connected networks and the Fleet Drive 360 compliance solution, offering carriers a unique suite of technology-enabled solutions covering all aspects of FMCSA and DOT testing and reporting, and the ability to manage their screening programs helps our customers get drivers on the road as quickly as possible. The Fleet Drive 360 automated compliance solution can be accessed on any computer or mobile device for a per-driver cost. The system also enables API connections for integration with existing transportation management systems and HR platforms." Digital Fleet's cloud-based platform has a new integration partner that aims to help ready-mix concrete and construction materials fleets reduce tire-related operating expenses, increase equipment uptime, and improve vehicle safety. With this integration, Doran Manufacturing's tire pressure and temperature data is now available to customers using both Doran and Digital Fleet. Data captured and displayed on their Digital Fleet dashboard includes real-time notifications for cautionary and critical low-pressure alerts, rapid deflation events, and high tire temperature conditions. These insights also provide drivers, managers, and fleet maintenance teams with real-time visibility on problem tires through email notification of active TPMS status changes, TPMS alert reporting by vehicle, and visibility of current tire pressure and temperature readings through the Digital Fleet dashboard. EKA Solutions Inc., provider of the cloud-based integrated freight management platform, EKA Omni TMS, has a new LTL partnership with 3PL Blue Grace Logistics that will offer EKA freight management and Blue Grace LTL services to EKA broker and shipper customers beginning in the fourth quarter of 2023. EKA founder and CEO JJ Singh said, "This integration between EKA and Blue Grace will make it easy for Omni TMS customers to ship their products by using LTL transportation mode and in a secure, efficient, reliable, and cost-effective manner." A new integration with the Geotab marketplace is offering fleets another driver safety and performance solution. Driver monitoring system technology developer SmartEye has integrated its AIS standalone hardware and software DMS for fleets with Geotab's fleet management platform. AIS is SmartEye's comprehensive hardware and software driver monitoring system for fleet aftermarket installation. The AI-based algorithms analyze subtle changes in a driver's head movements, eye gaze, and facial expressions to detect early signs of drowsiness and distraction in real time. The system then alerts drivers at the earliest possible point, helping to reduce the likelihood of a potentially hazardous situation. AIS consists of a standalone camera unit and an electronic control unit with wireless connectivity. Trimble has introduced a new cloud-based solution for multi-stop, multi-vehicle route optimization that improves asset utilization, on-time deliveries, and customer service. Appian Daily Planner delivers a modern planning experience designed to streamline and optimize the complex routing needs of multi-stop, mixed, and private fleets. By combining a highly configurable interface with the Appian optimization algorithm that has been continually enhanced for more than 30 years, Appian Daily Planner empowers fleets to transition from static batch routing to a real-time planning approach, saving time, money, and miles in the process. Appian Daily Planner also adds enhanced asset visibility, enabling dispatchers and fleet managers to adjust and optimize routes in real time, tracking planned versus actual route progress while ensuring drivers and route plans are meeting customers' delivery constraints. These are some of the benefits. Users are able to determine the most effective routes for all their complex routing needs with robust decision assist capability and real-time insights. The adaptable solution enables customers to track and report on KPIs relevant to their specific business. Route optimization enables fleets to lower fuel consumption and reduce emissions for more sustainable outcomes. Route optimization can also reduce a fleet's wear and tear, which can lead to reduced vehicle repair costs. Its algorithm analyzes operational constraints and provides optimized, streamlined daily route planning, improving efficiency through improved asset utilization. Visual cues and proactive alerts provide dispatchers the key metrics needed to quickly track actual route performance against plans in real time. It offers dynamic routing without limitations on the number of orders, routing inside of boundaries, editing fixed routes, and selective routing. And finally, it offers dynamic routing without limitations on the number of orders, routing inside of boundaries, editing fixed routes, and selective routing. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.